Yeah, I hope you're able to see my screen, right? So today we are going to discuss what is the ServiceNow and what are the versions or history of ServiceNow versions. ServiceNow versions. So why we need the ServiceNow? How much business is going on in ServiceNow? Different versions. What are the versions we are using in the past, and what is the current version right now? So we are going to discuss about this all topics today. Yeah, if you are not speaking, please keep in mute. Yeah, so these two topics we are going to see right now. Let me share one PPT.
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting your voice.
Yeah, is it others are?
Yeah, format fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Please increase your volume from your side. I hope.
This is 94, sir.
Volume is fine, sir.
Yeah. Pawan and Chaudhary all are.
Increase your voice, sir.
Yeah, they are able to hear my voice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we are hearing clearly, sir.
Yeah, are you audible?
We both
Others
are hearing
voice?
Are
Are you able to
Yes,
audible
sir.
others voice?
Yes, sir. We are hearing
I'm
clearly.
also getting clear.
Yeah, good.
Everyone we are hearing clearly.
Okay, thank you. So let's start ServiceNow. So actually, the ServiceNow is it's a American-based company. So it's started in 2004
Okay.
by Fred Luddy. So Fred Luddy is he's having 20 years experience in BMC Remedy. He worked in 20 years in BMC Remedy company. That's a ticketing tool. So Fred Luddy is the founder of this company. After worked 20 years, he thought and he established one company that is called ServiceNow company. So it's purely American-based company. He started in 2004. So what is the uniqueness of this ServiceNow versions is, so if you take any company, any versions, it will be in numbers only, sequence only. But this ServiceNow is having a naming conventions are with the version names. So it's a versions are based on the major cities of the world. So if you take India, it's a Hyderabad, right? India, like Delhi, Mumbai, like that. If you take any other country, so what is the capital of the countries? They are having almost all the version names. So as well as it will start with a sequence only, A to Z. The countries will start from A to Z only, as well as the naming conventions of cities of the capital. So in 2011 till now, it's a ticketing tool we can call in ServiceNow. It's a ticketing tool only. So after 2011, 2012 onwards, it's a purely platform based.
Hello.
It's not only, yeah. Yes, someone is calling. Yeah. Yeah, I am audible your voice. So it's purely based on not only ticketing tool, it is having a different like all the services it is providing. So IT, SM, information technology, service management, and different ITIL principles. So many things it is following. So apart from the ticketing tool, so as we know, till 2011, it is a ticketing tool only. So if I want in organization, if I want the laptop in the organization, I will raise it instant. to the particular hardware shop, hardware department in the organization. So once get approval from my manager, the laptop hardware guys will provide the laptop to me based on the configuration. So once we raise the ticket, they will approve. Once approve, we get the we'll show the ticket number to the hardware team. They will provide laptop to us. So till now, so that is one of the work. So we have different. If we join in one organization, we have different departments are there, like joining formalities. So what are the formalities required while joining, the onboarding time, and HR department is there. So like timing maintenance and everything. Who is joining, who is quitting the company. So these are all maintaining by the in the organization, right? So pay slips like payroll payment, like employees, whether they're getting the salaries, whether they are able to download the pay slips, like that. Different departments are there, like that. So the ServiceNow is providing all the services apart from the ticketing tool. So ServiceNow is a purely cloud-based platform, and it's a developer for different developer for workflows, and it's a automation. It's like our process automation as per the ITL process. So it's a highly customizable as per the we can use for the other purposes also, like customizable. If you want to change, if you want to modify something, we can modify like based on the requirement. So it's a purely cloud-based platform, ServiceNow. So no need to install. We have seen yesterday, right? No need to install anything software. So like that, the organization can be developed the customized applications and modules as per the business requirement using the ServiceNow scripting as well as existing tools. So I hope you understand, right? So ServiceNow is a American-based company. We found in 2004 by Fred Lardy. So he worked 20 years in Remedy tool, BM's Remedy tool. After that, he started a new company that is called ServiceNow. And so versions will be different, like naming only. The and it starts with A to Z. The world cities, familiar cities like capital. The names will be the version names for us. So it's a apart. It's not from the. It is not from the ticketing tool, and it's a different automation also will be there, and different workflows will be there, and automation process as per business process, as per the ITL principles.
What do you mean of ITL principles?
ITL,
Yeah.
it's information technology.
Okay.
Based on the like ITL means, so once if it is moving from, we have three environments is there, like one dev environment, quality environment, and production environment. If you want to, yeah, development environment, quality environment, and production environment. Three environments is there, right, in every organization, in every server. So if you want to change something in the production, we need to first we need to test in the development and quality. If you want to change something in the production from quality to production, then we need a cab approval. So we need the approval, right? Once get the approval, once get the approval from the cab, then only we are changing, modifying into the production. So that is basically it's handled by the ITL team, ITL supporting team. Okay, that is the ITL. Majorly, it's ITL principles. See ServiceNow. So if we are taking the ServiceNow, we have around 1,500 plus global partners are there in ServiceNow, as well as Fortune. You know, right? The Fortune is a big company. So out of 500, the Fortune is handling. It will find the top 500 companies. They have listed out and they will find throughout the world. So our ServiceNow is using Fortune top 500 companies. 80% of you are using the ServiceNow, which is listed companies of top 500 companies. So renewal rate, it's 98% from the Fortune 500 companies only. So these are the companies. Many companies are subscription taken from for ServiceNow company. It's a 6.889 $891 billion business is going on from the companies. And these are customers are using 85%, 80%, and the many 1,500 plus partners are there. So we make the world work better for everyone. And as well as if you take continuing innovation, the ServiceNow is releasing the different versions, right? Because of R&D team is there, research and development, and in different innovations and different strategies are going on. So 20, which ServiceNow company is getting, right? The profit they are spending 25% in R&D development team. So like different strategies and innovation, like survey trends and developing the products and delivery experience. So ServiceNow is a great thing. So we can tell because of this one. See here, all the companies. What you are seeing is over 80% of the work with ServiceNow only is going on. So these are all the companies throughout the world. So ServiceNow, a key differentiators, because platform, it's a cloud PP, cloud-based platform. So we are using cross-enterprise workflow automation and different innovations, and it's a best employee experience, because if you join in the organization, right? So it's a good servicing to the employees, and as well as artificial intelligence also releasing the service now, and so it's a born in the cloud but can be installed in on-premise also. The before cloud, it's on-premise, like in the system only they have installed in this service now, but once get the cloud, right? So we move to cloud, right? So it's a system is not required, and it is supporting to the multiple third-party systems also. Above, it's around 200 plus third-party tools. So like, and as well as different ServiceNow workflows also there, like departments, IT department, HR department, legal department, and workplace services department. It's providing different services and information and tools your employees and need from anywhere. So they can work from anywhere, and they can use our tools, all the employees. And so we are releasing different major releases. So yearly twice. So every 6 months, every couple of quarters, we are releasing different versions, and we are implementing, planning different virtual agents and different RPA, and many things are new things, innovations are going on in ServiceNow. See, if you so ServiceNow is reducing the cost and drive growth while managing risk. See, if you deliver customer growth, so day by day customers are increasing in ServiceNow, and the employee productivity, the quality, we are providing quality to the employees, it's also increasing. And we can calculate the employees, how many hours they are working. So those who, if one customer logged into the ServiceNow, we can calculate the time, how much time he logged in, how much when he was logged out. So we can calculate the timing, employee hours, manpower, how much manpower is needed for this one. So like this, and we are saving the manpower also, and achieve operational excellence and drive technology. So we are using different technologies. We are using like digital technology and transform business critical operations, different operations we are using. So we will discuss the different operations we are using in coming days. So in ServiceNow, we are reducing the cost to the companies and customers. and as well as we are giving the different quality to the customers. So here in this service now we are using different areas in every areas. So use cases enabled by the intelligent platform. So the service now we are using insurance and manufacturing industry, healthcare industry and education industry. So telecommunications and like different public sectors, and these are all the sectors we service now is using, and to requested to fulfill the needs of the customers. So like knowledge management, asset management, so different monitoring. We are as well as we are monitoring the task, and so incident management and problem management, configuration management, so risk management, different operational related, and strategy to portfolio, different. So different we are different many things. The employee onboard, offboarding, HR related services, change management, and employee transformation management. Different these all the sectors we are service now using, and we are giving the good to the customers. So then we can see different different versions, which versions we are using. See, ServiceNow, overview of ServiceNow versions history. So if you see here, so 2011 onwards, they have released. From 2018 onwards, they are releasing. This is a London, Europe countries. Almost all, many things are from Europe countries only. So 2018, they have released one version that is a London version. Name is London. So it's if you see here, you can find as a sequence only LMNOPQRST. So this is the A to Z sequence. Version names will be A to Z sequence only. So every quarter, the quarter will start from March, right? First quarter, March, and second, and couple of quarters completes, then third quarter September will come. So September. So every 6 months they are releasing different versions. So like in 2009 they have released first couple of quarter Madrid in 2009 March, and New York 2009, and so 2020 they have released two, Paris, Quebec, and Roma, and 2022 they have released these two versions. See, this is a complete, the future versions also they have released. So we have seen, right, 2021, 22, 23, 23. Right now we are in the quarter one, right? So Utah release version has released in current release. This is the current release for right now in 2023 quarter one. So after so this is the Vancouver is the 2023 quarter three they are releasing. So once complete this Utah, next release version will be the Vancouver. So in 2024 and 2025. So every year they are releasing, every couple of quarters they are releasing one versions. So these are the versions. See, if you see one version, they are adding some value to the product, right? So in 2016, the Geneva introduced major updates to the user interface and service portal and enhanced reporting capabilities. So in the 2016, they have improving the performance will be increased scalability, and new features they have added to the cloud management. So like that, every version they were adding. So right now, so why we need to stay in the current and why we need to upgrade means, so to get the latest platform and security enhancements for the security purpose, and we need to get the latest platform, right? For that, we are going to upgrade from one version to another version. So we can access new products and features from the latest release. So in the latest release only we have the features like, and different products also will be there. New products will come. So like mobiles, right? We are using right now. Why we are using the latest mobile means the features will be added as some additional values or additional features will be there, right? So for that we are using all the mobiles, new mobile, right? So we are replacing the old mobile and we are taking the new version, right? In the Amazon, we are going to submit that old mobile and we are taking the new mobile, right? So for this, new products will come and new features will be added to the latest release for that purpose only. So like this, we have different versions are there. And let me see the history, all versions. See here the ServiceNow versions. So in 2004 onwards, they have started. So each date also they have included, and summer. So till 2011, they have released only per year. They have released only one version. That's what I want to tell. So 2011, 12, and 2013 onwards, they are releasing every couple of quarters one release versions. So see here, this is a G. So you can see here D, Dublin. See, you can see alphabetic order. 2011 Aspen, B, Berlin, and Calgary, Dublin. So Fiji. So versions are like sequence A to Z only. So you can hear all the familiar countries names only. Capital of the country. It's like Paris, Rome, and Tokyo, Utah. So these are the country names only. So right now, 2023 quarter one, Utah has released. So these are the versions they have released. So that's what I want to tell today. So let me know if you have any questions. So today we have seen what is the service now and what are the released versions, history of the released versions. Yeah, any questions from your side? Hello.
No.
Yeah, any questions from your side? Yeah,
All
Chaudhary.
is fine.
Can't
No question.
be able to understand.
Okay. So meeting will be an internet. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. So from tomorrow onwards, we will start at 7 morning, 7 a.m. So is it fine for all of you?
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
fine,
fine,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, already. Thank you.
Good night,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah. Good night, all of you. Thank you. Bye.
you. Good night, everyone. Thank you.